Welcome to our video on understanding a simple Java program. Today, we will break down a Java program step by step to help you grasp how it works. By the end of this video, you will know how to interpret the code and understand its output. Here is the Java program we will analyze. This program performs a basic arithmetic operation and prints the result. The line public class demo declares a class named demo. In Java, every application must have at least one class. The keyword public means that this class can be accessed from other classes. Next, we have public static void main, string, args. This is the main method, which serves as the entry point for any Java application. The program starts executing from this method. The string, args parameter allows you to pass command line arguments, but we won't use it in this example. Inside the main method, we find System.out.println 2 plus 3 * 4. This line is responsible for printing output to the console. Now, let's break down the expression 2 plus 3 * 4 step by step. Parentheses first. According to the order of operations in mathematics, calculations inside parentheses are performed first. So we calculate 2 plus 3, which equals 5. Multiplication next. After evaluating the parentheses, we multiply that result by 4. Thus, 5 * operator 4 is equal to 20. Therefore, when this line executes, it outputs 20 to the console. In summary, we have learned how to write a simple Java program that performs an arithmetic operation and outputs the result. Understanding operator precedence is crucial. In this case, circular brackets take precedence over multiplication. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave a comment below. Happy coding!